They're yours.
These are for you.
I can't open it.
Do you want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy, open it for you. Yeah, Matthias told me this was...
Yeah, not for you.
Yes.
It's not hurting.
No.
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 That's some ticket.
Yes.
Oh, go down. What? That's my slippers on.
Wow.
Wow, look.
Some nails.
Oh, no, that's all lipsticks.
That's a nice present.
That is nice.
Isn't he a good brother?
Wow, the
Put
princess.
this one.
¿Te gusta?
Put up on this.
¿Te gusta?
That's for nails.
No, this.
Yeah.
No, that's the books. The princess.
Olivia, you said thank you to your brother.
You want to say thank you to Matías? Dale un besito, mi amor. Dale un besito. Ay, sí.
Thank you for me, look. You want to do? I want this for me. And that's for my lipstick, this.
Yes.
It's for my lipstick, there.
Sí, mi amor, eso es para ti.
Mm.
Vea, Matías está despierto.
That's for me.
Mira que está despierto, Matías.
You guys,
Ay, mira lo que
my book.
Yeah, look, he said this is for Lydia because she's my favorite sister. Look,